Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIMI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link. So go there and I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis last week, so that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, not only very nice from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, good to see volume return to it. Certainly a lot of eyeballs on it, so let's get some updates here made. First thing I'm going to do, a little house cleaning actually, just get rid of that line. Yes, that level pertains, it's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 625, one of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level when we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above 625. With that being said, though, if the price falls below it, that does not mean the entire chart is totally destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would be a good sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 625 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, the main majority of them wasn't totally clean cut, but I'm going to go ahead and call it $7.65. Again, I realize the price did technically get up as high as there and there, but there is also plenty of other instances where the price didn't quite get that high. So like I said, in my mind, kind of trying to find the middle ground right there at $7.65. So keep an eye on that. But what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here, just starting to build and chip away with higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations, and let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon this trend or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.